One of the first places anyone looks for quick help with an online service is that little chat bubble in the corner. You're trying to figure out an investment or a domain name setting on Spaceship, and you want an immediate answer. So, the big question, does Spaceship have a live chat for support? For users of Spaceship, the answer is usually yes, they do offer a live chat option. Spaceship, particularly the domain name and web services arm, clearly advertises the ability to start a chat on their contact pages. Multiple user reviews confirm a positive experience with their live chat support, often noting quick response times and helpful agents. Now, it's worth noting that the experience might vary slightly depending on which version of Spaceship you're using. Spaceship also offers financial services in Australia, and their help center often directs users to FAQs and a support ticket system. But even the domain and web services part often has a help center that includes the chat option. The key takeaway is that if you're looking for real-time help with a domain, hosting, or a similar web service through Spaceship, you should absolutely look for that chat icon. It's often the fastest way to get your issue resolved. If you can't find the chat instantly, check the Contact Us or Support section of the specific Spaceship website you are using. Sometimes, it's only available after you've gone through a brief self-help flow to narrow down your problem. In short, for Spaceship users who need quick assistance, the live chat is a feature they provide, making it a reliable route for getting help fast. Have you used Spaceship support before? Let us know in the comments if you prefer live chat or a ticketing system. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick answers to common tech and finance questions.